Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, Hot Wheels mainlines. We got some multi-packs we are going to take a look at today. So we got two 5-packs, the Motor Show, the Nightburnerz, and this little 3-pack. And before we get into it, I'll tell you what I paid for them. So this one cost me €5, and each one of those two cost me €7. €7 is okay for a 5-pack. But you know, if you watched my recent videos, I showed you Matchbox 5-packs that I got for €5 each, and that is a really good price. By the way, I think I bought them at Aldi Süd if you are interested in that. So now I think we got no new castings in all of these packs, but all of these cars have a livery or a deco that you've not seen before. So let's start with the 3-pack. You know, normally they come with one fantasy casting, and so, or at least one fantasy casting, and so does this 3-pack. You know, got to level it out financially. You know what I mean? So let's show this one quickly. This is a fantasy casting for sure. The base doesn't say what it is, but I think, or I'm pretty sure, this is the RRRoadster, or maybe you pronounce it Roadster. I have no idea. Write it in the comments down below if you know that. Well, I'm not so into these Hot Wheels fantasy castings, so let's put this Roadster to the side and let's go on with this guy here, which is the 82 Nissan Skyline R30. So here you see it on the base. Yeah, this one's really cool. I really like this blue livery. It's like a little bit of a pearl blue. I don't know if you can call it like that, but it's looking really good. Here on the part down below here is black, also looking very good, and here on the side it's saying RS Turbo. We got some deco on the back, tail lights, a little wing, and no painted details here on the front, but we got some headlights. I mean, it's hard to see maybe here on camera, but it's looking very good. These, let's call them lensed headlights. They are part of this inner plastic piece. So yeah, a really nice model. And the last one from this 3-pack is this guy here, the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in black with an orange base. Got some nice details on the front. A huge Lamborghini logo. I think this orange base is looking good. Also nice details on the back. Comes with dark tinted windows. And once again, this happened in the last time very often, really badly scratched windows or scratches on the windshield. Not so cool. Anyways, I mean, it's hard to see if you buy these packs. You don't see the scratches, or maybe you don't pay attention to it. Now I would say let's go on with the Nightburnerz. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. So here you see the Datsun 620, also here on the back. Let's take this out of its packaging. So let's start with the fantasy casting, the Alpha Pursuit in police deco. Yeah, I mentioned it, not my cup of tea, these Hot Wheels fantasy castings. You know, from Matchbox there are some unlicensed models that I think do look really good because they are more realistic. But these yeah, Hot Wheels fantasy castings, definitely not my cup of tea. So I guess this one will end up on my son's track. Let's put it to the side. And we go on with the 89 Mazda Savanna RX-7, now in yellow, coming with a Hot Wheels license plate, nice details on the back, taillights, white rims. Yeah, yellow is not my favorite color, definitely, but it's a nice casting. And another car from Japan, 98 Honda Prelude, completely in white, looking good with these white rims. Got details on the back, nice taillights, the Honda logo, no license plate. And always looking good. I really like it when they do these, yeah, let's call them lensed headlights, part of this inner plastic piece. But it makes the car normally look so much better. Come with a black plastic base. And the next one, Datsun 620. This tan color with the Kaido house deco. I think this is the one most of you are excited for. I have to say, looking very, very good. A lot of deco on it, on the hood and on the side. Some gray 5 spokes. No details here on the back except this molded in Datsun lettering, coming with a chrome base. Also like that because on the front you have this chrome bumper and it makes the car look so much better. And the last one, also really cool. Once again, the McLaren Speedtail. Now, we've already seen this, I think, 3 times in mainline and 2 times in premium. And this is a really brand new color, now in purple. Comes with mismatched wheels like the original, both in black, but different style and looking very good. Really nice. This Speedtail, also into parking position. And we get to the last 5-pack, the Motor Show. Quick look at the packaging. Here you see the Lamborghini Countach as a pace car, also here on the back. This one, all of its packaging. And yeah, I would say let's start with the Aston Martin 177. Yeah, definitely not my favorite. Not so sure about this casting, but I definitely don't like this, yeah, burgundy color, and I don't like the deco on it. I don't know. Just looks so no details on the back, but I think it just looks kind of strange. A little bit like from Masters of the Universe or something. Not my cup of tea. And then we got this one here, the 1967 Ford GT40 Mark IV. So this one has a really nice silver metallic livery on it and some cool racing deco on top. And you also got these kind of lensed headlights. Already mentioned it. Do really like that. What I don't like, and I also mentioned that in some of my videos before, are these extremely different wheel sizes. I mean, it makes those cars just look strange sometimes. I mean, this is kind of a cool casting and a real cool car in reality, but this is, in my opinion, way too much. Yeah. The rest is really cool. So, yeah. Into parking position. And I would say we skipped the Lamborghini because I think it's the coolest car of this set. Here we got the Crescendo, so once again, fantasy casting. Yeah, not my cup of tea. Another car that will end on my son's track for sure, because this one has a metal base, and you know, if they got a metal base, normally they are really good on track. So, yeah. The Crescendo in purple. Then the 2016 Ford GT Race. This one's kind of cool. I'm not sure about these blue tinted windows, but it is how it is. Deco's kind of cool. Comes with a dark blue metallic livery, white interior, and a huge white wing. White rims. So this is kind of nice. And the last one, definitely my favorite. One of the coolest sports cars ever, a real legend, the Lamborghini Countach. Unfortunately, in this pace car version, or we also seen, I think, police or emergency vehicle versions of this one. But anyway, this car is just really cool, even in yellow. I like the deco. As I said, wouldn't need this light bar, but it is how it is. Nice white wheels, and as you can see, we got this chrome interior, and so we got this, yeah, also chrome exhaust part, and looking very good. Now let's bring the camera back a little. And so here are all the cars together, and yeah, I would say that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, hope you're having a great time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.